let me show you how you activate your free ChatMDR Plus subscription for 1 month. So here I'm on the homepage of ChatMDR, and let me launch the app. So the app now launches and I'm not logged in. So let me just sign up here. Let me get a user that does not have premium. I'll go with my Facebook account, which I used before. And now you can see that I have 19 questions, so I'm not on the Plus plan yet. So then the next step I do is I go to My Plan. And another pop-up opens. And this takes me to a company called Stripe. Stripe is our payment partner at ChatMDR. So now I'm on the free plan, which is completely free, which is will be extended on February 25th. But I want to actually update my plan. So then I select the Plus plan here. I press continue. Apologies for all the Dutch. I think you get the picture. And then here it says you need to pay. But lucky for you, there is an action code during the month of February. So let me put that in. And now you see that I have to pay only 0. So then I do subscribe and pay. And now it says I need to put in a payment link. So if I want to extend, by the way, you can always stop. But if I want to extend, then I can would automatically happen. But you can stop at any moment. You don't have to pay anything. So I'm going to use my Visa that I stored before. I have to put in a code for my credit card provider, yada, yada, yada. And then I subscribe. There we go. So now I'm on the Plus plan until the 29th of February 2024. And then I can either cancel it or I can keep going. Now, if I go back to ChatMDR, you don't see any immediate differences. So what I'll do is I'll quickly log out and log back in. I'll continue with Facebook as I did before. And now here you see 200 questions indicating that I'm on the Plus plan. Also, you see that I can choose between the old and faster model that I always had as part of the free plan and the smarter GPT-4 Turbo model as part of the Plus plan. So I hope you enjoy your month of ChatMDR Plus and hope you enjoy our new GPT-4 Turbo model and all the capabilities it provides.